to make this video effect a success, you need a phone. Yes, a phone. Then you also need a glass cup, empty glass cup, and the last thing you need is a cup of water. A cup of water. So if you have these three stuff, you are good to go. Now when you are videoing the stuff, so you are videoing the phone, the cup, please don't move it. Leave it in one place. Leave that cup in one place. Don't move the cup to another direction. And secondly, do not move your phone. Let the camera be in a stable place so that everything will come out perfect. So that being said, let me show you how I was able to do that. Ready? Let's go. So guys, you get the empty glass cup, then you put it somewhere stable and make sure your phone is in a stable place. Please, throughout this video, you are not going to move your phone and you are not going to move the glass cup. So you get the empty glass cup and then you place your phone on top like this, and then you press. Just press it for like few seconds. Just press as if you are already putting the water in. So just keep pressing, keep pressing. Immediately you are done, like let's say 10 seconds, then you remove your phone, just the phone. Then you cut. After filming the phone and the cup, you cut. And then the next thing we are going to film is this. You film you pouring the water inside the glass cup, just like this. Hope you are seeing me, like this. Just keep pouring, keep pouring, keep pouring. Don't allow the cup to be too close to the glass cup. Keep pouring. So leave it like this. So guys, now that you are done filming the both videos, you cut, and then let's head over to Capcut. So guys, we are going to click on the Capcut app. You click on it, then you click on new projects. So we are going to import the particular video when we were using our finger to press the phone on the glass cup. So that is the one we are going to import. You click on it. This is the video, and you click on add. So guys, the particular part of this video I want, first of all, let me silence the video because we don't need the sound. I want you to understand this tutorial fully. Please follow me. If you know you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and join the family. So the part that I need in this video is when I was about putting my phone on top of the glass cup. So immediately I get that part, just watch what I'm going to do. Let's search for it. This is it. So I'm just going to split. So you click on the video and then you click on split. So I'm going to cut this other part, is not needed. So cut it and delete. So this is the part we need. After you've gotten this part, the next step is this. Click on overlay and click on add overlay, and then you are going to import the video of you pouring water from the cup into the glass cup. Do you understand? The video of you pouring water from the cup to the glass cup. This is the video. Anything overlay, if there's anything I want to cut out from the front, I do it here. So I click on crop, and then let me just search for the right place to start. When I was about pouring the water to the glass cup, that is where I want. So guys, we've gotten the part. So click on this check sign and click on add. So this is the overlay, and after adding overlay, make sure you use your both finger to resize the overlay for you to fit exactly with the first video. Guys, did you see that? Just use your both finger to resize it. Next thing we are going to do now is click on this second one that you just brought, this video, the overlaid video. So you click on it and then swipe to your right hand side. Just swipe and search for mask. Search for mask. So guys, this is mask. So click on mask and then click on horizontal. click on horizontal. So this is horizontal. So guys, this is where the magic lies. Are you ready to see the magic? So we are going to turn this horizontal line upside down. Do you understand? We are going to turn it and make it horizontal again. So just watch and see. Use your both finger to do that, to resize it. So just like we are removing the cup. As you can see, guys, are you seeing that? We are removing the cup, we are turning it upside down, just like this, just like this. Guys, are you seeing that? So when you are done, bring the line down like somewhere here close to the beginning of the cup, like this. And don't, please, when you are done filming this, do not save the video like that. Everybody will know that, oh, this is not real, doesn't look real. Do you understand? So for you to make it look more realistic, we are going to use this arrow here. You see this arrow? Play around with it to make everything look realistic, just like I'm doing now. Don't, please don't do it too much. Oh, just do it a little and leave it. Then when you are done, click on this check sign. So guys, for you to get that water pouring sound, that sound that you heard like somebody is pouring water, just click on audio, then click on sound. From there you search for water pouring sound. From there you see different effects. All you need to do is to choose the one you like and then add to the video. That is all. And then let's check what we have. Let's check. If you love this video, please drop a comment for me, and don't forget to share this video, guys. Share this video. There are people that would love to see it. Share and like the video too, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Support me by subscribing. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.